Did you know that AI is creating new ways to make money faster than ever before? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time business, 2025 is the perfect time to start. In this video, I'll show you real, actionable ways to make money using AI, no coding or technical skills required. Stick around until the end, where I'll reveal the most profitable AI business model for beginners. Let's dive in. Step 1. AI content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Claude can generate blog posts, social media content, and even entire books. Here's how you can profit. Freelance writing with AI. Use AI to assist with blog writing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. AI-powered YouTube channel. Use AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos, just like this one. Self-publishing AI-generated books. Turn AI-generated content into ebooks and sell them on Amazon Kindle. Step 2. AI-powered digital products. If you prefer passive income, digital products are a great way to earn with AI. Try these methods. AI-generated printables and templates. Use tools like Canva and Midjourney to create planners, social media templates, or business card designs and sell them on Etsy. AI stock photos and art. Generate unique images using AI and sell them on platforms like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. AI voiceovers and audiobooks. Use AI-generated voices for audiobook narration and sell them on Audible. Step 3. AI automation and consulting. Businesses are willing to pay for AI automation to save time and money. Here's how you can get paid. AI chatbot setup. Set up AI-powered customer service chatbots for small businesses using ChatGPT or ManyChat. AI automation services. Use tools like Zapier and Make to automate business processes and sell automation services. AI business consulting. Help businesses implement AI tools for efficiency. No coding needed, just learn how AI tools work. Step 4. Selling AI-powered services. AI makes it easy to start a service-based business. You can offer AI-powered logo design. Use Luca or Midjourney to create logos for clients. AI video editing and voiceovers. Tools like Descript and 11 Labs allow you to create professional quality content. AI social media management. Automate content scheduling and creation using AI tools like Okoya or Postly. Bonus, the most profitable AI business model in 2025. If you're serious about making money with AI, the most profitable model in 2025 is AI-powered online education. AI makes it easier than ever to create and sell courses, coaching programs, and memberships. Platforms like Kajabi and Teachable let you build an AI-driven business with high profit margins and passive income potential. There you have it, real ways to make money with AI in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI-powered business strategies. Let me know in the comments. Which AI money-making method are you excited to try first? See you in the next video.